Okay, class, please settle down. For today, we will be jumping into our presentations on the world of microbes. However, before we start, can someone please give us a definition of microbes?
Yes, miss, I can. Well, we are microbes, and to be precise, we are microscopic organisms that can be found almost everywhere.
Yes, quite accurate. Now then, let's go straight into our presentation. Anna, your species is Anabaena variabilis, correct? You are an interesting variation of cyanobacteria. So, let's have your presentation first. Start anytime, kid.
Yes, of course, Miss Ecoai. Good day, everyone. I am Anabaena Variabilis, a type of aquatic and photosynthetic bacteria, a cyanobacteria to be exact. My species have been extensively studied by researchers due to our unique genes and bodily processes. We are able to undergo a special process to produce hydrogen gas by utilizing the energy from the sun. This gas can then be mass-produced and used as fuel. We also convert atmospheric dinitrogen to ammonia through nitrogen fixation. Indeed, my species Anabaena variabilis have significantly benefited the earth in many ways. Cyanobacteria like us were even involved in the furthering of the evolution of plants and supplying the earth with oxygen from since ancient times, which was awarded the title Architects of the Earth's Atmosphere. Our abilities to fix nitrogen and produce hydrogen are not our only important uses. We Anabaena variabilis can also produce phenylalanine ammonia lyase. Our genes code for it. It's an enzyme that recent studies have shown could potentially be the solution to a metabolic disease known as phenylketonuria.
Now, structure-wise, we Anabaena variabilis are filamentous cyanobacteria. The way that we stay alive is a little complex. We have different types of cells for different purposes. We have heterocytes for nitrogen fixation, akins for survival, and homogonia for mobility purposes. And remember I stated earlier we are photosynthetic? We are described as blue-green algae due to our bluish-green pigment, phycocyanin. This pigment is what we use to capture light for photosynthesis, even though we also have chlorophyll, the same photosynthetic pigment plants use. But unlike plants, we do not rely on special organelles like chloroplasts found in plant cells. Anabaena variabilis are also a species of symbiotic bacteria, meaning we can form symbiotic relationships with plants and fungi. However, we depend on homogonia so that we can maintain that symbiotic relationship.
Hey, your species is actually very beneficial. Does that mean that all bacteria are as helpful as you and your family?
Yes, there are a lot of cyanobacteria species that are naturally helpful like mine. However, I must note that although Anabaena variabilis provide a lot of environmental benefits, we can sometimes be very harmful to the environment as well. My species, Anabaena variabilis, can also produce toxic blooms that release a cytotoxin, which can be deadly if it comes into contact with other organisms, including humans.
Is that so? Guess I know who to call when I want to off some pesky microbe.
What? No, I'd never do that on purpose. Anyway, that concludes my presentation.
Alright everyone, it's lunch. Please go to the feeding grounds. Thank you for that informative presentation. Oh, and Proto, try not to engulf your classmates.